How to create an account in AutoDS. Now if you are a seller, AutoDS is gonna be very helpful for you to connect platforms and sell your items. So in order to create an account, just simply open your browser and search for AutoDS. Then this first link of autods.com is gonna appear. Just simply open it and this website of AutoDS is gonna appear. Simply tap to get started. And after you tap in there, you just simply need to select the option to sign up. You can use either Google or email in order to sign up to AutoDS. Just simply select any of the option which is suitable for you. I'm selecting Google because Google is really easy. You just simply need to tap to sign up with Google and select your Google account. And once you choose your Google account, you will successfully be logged into AutoDS and you can easily select the selling channels in order to use AutoDS from now on. So this is how you can very easily create AutoDS account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.